gate. And they're off. Mr. Hooker just leaped up in the air right after they sprung the latch and is well behind the rest. Surfactant to share the early lead with Wishing on a Dream. Wishing on a Dream, very keen to go on. Surfactant's on the muscle too. Tucking neatly in behind them, Common Currency gets a good tracking spot, while third as they move for the clubhouse turn. Then Boat, who's on the outside of Living Right, who's fifth toward the inside. Leatherhead, followed by Adirondack Warrior. The slow start puts Mr. Hooker at the back of the field. At the front of the field is Wishing on a Dream. Surfactant up close, hard held, while second, Common Currency settles into an easy rhythm while running along third by 2.5 lengths. Then on the outside, it's Boat who races. Now fourth, Living Right fifth toward the inside. Leatherhead is sixth, and Mr. Hooker is seventh, and Adirondack Warrior is the last of 8. The field moving up the backstretch. Up top, it's still Wishing on a Dream. Right glued to his flank is Surfactant, second by another 3 with a half mile to go. Common Currency still sitting chilly. Third as they approach the far turn. There goes Boat. There goes Boat now with a decisive move. Moving up on the outside with 3 furlongs remaining. Leatherhead's in gear too. And then Living Right is only 4.5 from the front. Followed by Mr. Hooker and Adirondack Warrior as the field comes to the top of the stretch. Wishing on a Dream, a narrow lead. Boat's now right alongside. They're head-to-head for the lead. Leatherhead switched out. Now running third. Less than a furlong to go. Boat trying to lug in, but now with a narrow lead. Here's Living Right on the outside. And Leatherhead, they're coming down to the finish now. Leatherhead coming on through between horses. Boat on the rail. Living Right on the outside. And Leatherhead got it. Leatherhead the winner. Close for second, Living Right or Boat. Number 5, Leatherhead first, Photo for second. Number 2, Living Right, was second. Number 8, Boat, was third. And number 1, Wishing on a Dream, fourth. Results not official. 5-2-8-1.